So I have a massive short position, but my biggest short by far is Eli Lilly. I put up over $300,000 just against Eli Lilly. They're the largest pharmaceutical company, and I'm betting against them. Eli Lilly, they're the ones that have been creating these GLP-1 drugs that people are going crazy about. So you might be wondering, Ryan, why would you short Eli Lilly? They're the strongest company basically ever. They're the best. They're gonna be amazing. I don't deny that they're a strong and profitable business. I am just saying the price is too high. I've been shorting them since I started shorting them in 2022, and it's been brutal. I watched the stock price literally triple. I didn't put it all in 2022. I averaged up a lot. That's why my position has gotten so big. My break even is about $600 a share. And right now it's at about 900. It's been coming down a little bit recently, but I know I shouldn't let my expectations rise much because I've seen this happen before. In August, it got very close to my break even, and then it just continued to skyrocket. It went back up to about 1100. I have time. I have most of my options on this expire mid 2027 to early 2028. So I have time, and it's gonna take a while. So I'm trying to not let my expectations rise too much. I've been holding this for a long time, and it's been bleeding a lot. And this is real. This is actually 300,000 of my dollars. This isn't leverage. This isn't like notional value. This is real money. So the reason I think the price will come down is because it's too high. I think these GLP-1s are overblown. It's currently priced as if everybody and their mother is going to be taking these drugs. This is just another iteration of a weight loss pill. There used to be something called fen. Terrible, not a good idea. But it was a craze, it was the next big thing. And then, lo and behold, side effects. This is just gonna be another one of those things. There will be side effects, there will be a buildup of tolerance. You can't just keep taking it forever. It's not magic. It doesn't work. It just suppresses your appetite. Side effects will show. I think some have shown already, but they will get big. Obviously, I didn't think the stock was gonna go up this high. It's very clear with hindsight. Yes, the stock tripled. That is not what I wanted to happen. I thought it was overpriced in 2022. We're now in 2026. I think it's very overpriced. It's just taking a long time for this thesis of mine to play out. Over the past few years, it's just been headlines. It's been the story, their next big thing, their pipeline. They're coming out with something else. But eventually, it's going to be about the numbers. It's going to be about the profit. Yes, they have greatly increased their profits, much more than I expected. But there's a limit to it. If these GLP-1 drugs work as well as they say, then it's going to get them to stop taking their other drugs. Because if it gets rid of the obesity, it gets rid of the obesity-related illnesses, and they don't need to take the other stuff. So let's look at the price to earnings ratio. It is currently higher than all the Mag 7. It's higher than Nvidia, Apple, Google, Meta. Okay, not higher than Tesla, but very high. And it's a pharmaceutical company. Over the long term, they've been growing their earnings at about 8% per year. Recently, huge earnings growth, yes, but that is not sustainable over the long term. The current price, they're pricing it as if it's going to maintain that growth rate for the next couple of decades. I don't think that's gonna happen. It's not sustainable. I think Eli Lilly by itself is way overpriced. I don't think it's going out of business. I think it'll remain a strong business for a very long time. I think the price is too high. And I think the market at large is overpriced. I think we will see the market come down a lot and Eli Lilly with it. I think Eli Lilly will go down more than the market. It may take longer, but I think it's significantly overpriced.